Welcome to the MacroPOS accounting interface web demonstration. Here we'll be exporting out of MyPOS portal and importing into MyOB. Okay, this is just a brief overview of the accounting export facility within POS portal. We have the ability to export sales data as well as supplier invoice data directly from POS portal into MyOB. So when you first log into the POS portal and you see this module button at the top in the navigation bar, just click on it and you'll be presented with this page. On the left hand side you have a date range selector to bring up all the appropriate transactions. So I'm just going to focus on today. When you press view, it will go and get all the different transactions available for export, and it breaks it down in the top section here by sales and banking, and then inventory related records such as wastage, variances for stock takes and internal transfers. You'll also notice on the right hand side of each of these records we have a view button that allows you to view the details. So for example, in the sales and banking summary section I can click view, bring up the child window and then expand to see each part of the different sections there that make up that transaction. For stock wastage, similar, I can click view and it'll come up and give me the details of that. I'm running MyOB in the background here, so once I go and click which ones I want to export and click the export data button, our interface program will process the data and then put it into MyOB automatically. So let's say for example I just want to do the sales and banking information. I'm just going to click that, then down the bottom here I'm just going to click on export data. It will just collect and gather all the information and it generates a file in which we have to save into a location. All we need to do is just download that and save it into a folder called Accounting Importer and Input. Once we save it, it will then process in the background. And the same with the second file as well. Once that's done, our program then processes that information and then puts it into MyOB. So see here, I'm now looking at my transaction journal within MyOB and all that cash draw information, sales information is there as well. If I go back to POS portal, once we've exported that transaction it'll be grey, so it can't be exported again. However, if for some reason we save it in the incorrect location or something happens, we can easily re-export it by going to the Exported Transactions tab, and then we'll see that export sitting there waiting to be re-exported. So back at new transactions, if I'm happy with all the information presented for me here and I just want to export it, I can just go ahead and click on either the individual transactions or all the transactions within that area. So once again I'm going to click everything here, click on export data, it will generate. All I need to do is just save it into my accounting import. Now it will remember it and all you have to do is go click save. Same again with this file, we're just going to save it into that location and then we're done. So now if I have a look at MyOB, I will see all those transactions there. I can then actually have a look at the individual details of those transactions. And that concludes the demonstration.
Thanks for watching. If you require any further information, please call us on 1300 66 7575 or email us at sales@macrosolutions.com.au.